Good evening, Dan Fitzpatrick here, stockmarketmentor.com, and I want to look at Wayfair here. This is a stock that's in kind of a volatility squeeze here with support. You know, we'll call it right around 300, but you can see it kind of bounces on both sides of that. The real support or magnet, I guess I would say, is the 50-day moving average, the red line. And so this is, one way you can jump on a stock like this with a defined risk where you're not taking too much risk, even though the stock isn't yet breaking out, is to look back a few days and see where the lowest low is, because the idea is if the stock is in kind of a trading range like it is right now, well, if it's in a trading range, then as long as the stock's in this area, even back here, as long as it's trading in this box, well, it's behaving naturally. It's behaving normally because this is the range. It's only when it runs either up out the top of the range or down at the bottom, through the bottom, that you would say, okay, well, this is different. Something new is going on here. And so if you're looking at a stock this way, what you want to see is the shortest box possible. You'd like to see it be real long. In other words, it goes back several days or weeks even, but you want to see it be short. It's a very, very low ceiling, because the idea is if you can buy close to the bottom of the box, then you can have a stop in just a little bit below the box. You can have a stop just a little outside the box. So let's say you're buying right here, and then you're putting your stop, which goes to clear back here. You're putting your stop at that level, and so if the stock falls out of the bottom of the box, that's when you get stopped out. If it falls back to the bottom of the box, it's okay. It's just doing what it's supposed to be doing. So let's say you're taking a little bit of stock here, then you're waiting. Stock goes up to the top of the box and then comes back. Oh, crap. No, it's doing what it's supposed to do. It's behaving normally. Only when it breaks out the top of the box is it behaving abnormally. It's doing something different. And so on that quote, something different, that's when you take another position. That's when you add to your position. So you're buying here, at least in the bottom half of the box. You're buying here in the box, and then you're adding to that when or if the stock breaks out the top of the box. And you've always got your stop just a little bit below the bottom of the box. So anyway, that's how I would trade Wayfair. They report earnings on 11/3, which I think is the same day as some other big event. I'm not exactly sure what that is, but it's on my calendar for something else. So anyway, this stock my feeling is it's probably going to break out between now and then and give you a nice gain here. So track the stock and we'll see if I'm right. All right, I'll see you next time.